If you desire a all 5-star service and experience, staying in a luxury hotel is the perfect way to sample the lifestyle of the rich. Featuring stunning architecture, world-class amenities, and fine dining. Luxury hotels offer an exceptional experience for the elite. The hotel explored here are globally renowned as being the most luxurious hotels in the world, and it is definitely worth treating yourself to stay at one of them at least once. So, here are top luxury. Number 5. The Plaza. Wherever you're from, there's a place in New York that feels just like home. The famous Plaza Hotel is located on the heart of the New York. This is one of the few breathtaking facts about New York and reason it being named as the city of skyscrapers. The Plaza Hotel has remained a New York icon hosting world leader dignitaries, captain of industries, Broadway legends and Hollywood royalty as an established staple for the lavish society affairs and blockbuster films. The Plaza has welcomed guests from all around the world. As you can see the Plaza in Home Alone 2, where you can also see Mr. Donald Trump directing Kevin to the reception. The most attractive part are the Tea of the Palm, court lavish, champagne bars, the roast club and the food halls including 282 rooms and 102 deluxe suites like other luxurious hotels. Plaza also has to offer a personal butler service too, and it will cost as low as $4,000 to $100,000 a night. Number 4. Zemi Beach Hotels. This is an ideal spot to appreciate the remarkable magnificence of the beach. Fully air-conditioned, flat satellite television, accessible coffee machine, a buffet breakfast, a pendant storeroom, hairdryer and kids club are a portion of the conveniences for the visitors, including a 24-hour front working area with accessible room service, huge fitness center, and some sporting exercises as snorkeling and hiking are additionally there to give the visitors the perfect vacation. Number 3. Titanic Maiden Palace. The biggest pool of 5 sections of land enhanced with flavorful delicious seafood and 4 sunken aquariums that contains around 3,000 fishes make this hotel of Turkey quite possibly the most extravagant and expensive hotels on the planet. The costing of this hotel is close about $1.4 billion. Oh my god! It has an inbuilt seashore which 900 tons of sand was imported from Egypt. It has a giant-sized spa which is 12,000 square feet. The Grand Hotel contains 560 suites. It additionally incorporates 17 bars, and 24/7 personal butler service is likewise accessible there, which makes the hotel only for the ultra-wealthiest. Number 2. Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab is a luxurious hotel which is arranged in Dubai, United Emirates. The name of this hotel in Arabic is straightforwardly said as the Tower of the Arabs. This is one of the tallest hotels in the world and ranked on the 5th spot on that list. This hotel was planned so that it winds up looking like the state of a sail on a huge boat. There is additionally a helipad close to the top of the hotel, and this hotel is so unimaginably lavish. It has such countless highlights to bring to the table to its customers that it is likewise a prey similar to the lone 7-star hotel in the whole world. It is likewise very fascinating to take note that this hotel is based on an artificial island and as of now has more than 200. Number 1. Emirates Palace. Visiting this hotel can be the most ideal choice to get rid of tiresome life, as this hotel is a multi-enhanced where you will feel no less than a royal persona. The white sand beach has been consistently perhaps the most alluring part for the client. All-out expense for the government of Abu Dhabi that needs to make this photographed beauty of this hotel is around $3.9 billion. The hotel incorporates 394 residents with 92 general suites and 22 private suites are warmly to show the heavenly beauty inside. This lobby is made with fascinating marbles. The marbles have been imported from 13 countries around the world. The 1000 crystal clear chandelier will give you a rhinestone vibe. Without doubt, this is one of the most luxurious hotels in the world.